Are you tired of putting your front bumper and rear bumper back on? Well, I do. So stick around. In this episode, I'm going to tell you what I'm about to do. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode here, I'm going to install these quick release button. And what it does is to make it easy for you to remove and to install back. So I purchased these from Amazon, and I'll leave the link down on the description, and so check it out. These are very affordable, about $20, and it comes with 4-piece. And so today I'm going to use 2 for the front bumper. The reason why that I went with this route is because I constantly removing the front bumper, and it gets very time consuming and too much a hassle to put it back on with all the screw hardware and all these push clips and everything. And you know what, that's it. So with this quick release button, it will solve it. So let's go ahead and get this thing done. All right, let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. Whoopee 4 pieces universal aluminum vehicle hood pin. Alright, looks like that's the part number. Let's go ahead and just take a look. Should be simple. It comes with all the hardware, all the nuts, washer. Alright. There's a little rod right here. Here's another washer. Alright, so here's a button. So this piece right here, it will go inside. Push it up. It click. It means that it's secure. So once you want to remove, you press it, and it will release. Simple. Alright. Not bad. The quality is pretty good. This is aluminum. It's not plastic. Looks like it's powder coated, so it's not gonna fade. And so let's go ahead and figure out what to do. Okay, so on the driver's side fender, and I am thinking about drilling a hole right here. That way I could put the rod into it. So I'm gonna have to find out the diameter for the drill bits, and go from there. Once I install the rod, and then I'll figure out what to do for the bumper and the location where I'm gonna drill a hole and push and install that button. Once you figure out where you're gonna drill a hole, and then I'm gonna use this center punch. So I'm gonna put it right here. So you guys can figure out where you guys want to drill a hole. So every car is different. Alright. So I'll probably do one more time. Alright. So this and that is where I'm gonna drill the hole. Got done drilling the hole. And since that this part doesn't come with instruction, so best to my knowledge, just by my instinct. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the top side of the nut in first. All right, just as is shown here. And then on the bottom, I'll have a washer to go with it. And then right now it's not fully secure, but it should look something like this. All right, the washer is against the fender, and then the nut, and then on the for the back side, and just finish off with the washer and the nut. All right, and then you guys can just adjust this rod in more or out. Okay, and it should look like this. Everything's all nice and tight. And then just do the same thing to the other side of the passenger. All right, once the other side is done, and I apply some toothpaste, what this does is once I put on the bumper, that toothpaste, it will make a mark from the inside of the bumper, and so that's where I'm gonna drill a hole, and hopefully everything is accurate. And the only way to find out is just give it a try. So as you can see, the toothpaste, it made a mark on the inside of the bumper. So I recommend you to have another person will help you on this, so that he or she can hold the other side of the bumper while you are trying to do the same thing to the other side. So at this point, I'm just gonna drill a hole, and I already measured. It's pretty close, so it won't be perfect, but as long that the quick release button, it will match up to this ball right here. All right, so as long as it stays on, all good with me. This is the largest drill bits that I have. So the quick release button, the diameter is much bigger. But if you don't have any bigger size drill bits, if you have a Dremel, go ahead and use it. That way you could trim more. All right. Just be careful while you trim. You know, as long that the button, it will go through the bumper, and that's all that matters. So yeah, I may have to use a Dremel for it, no matter what. All right, finish trimming on one side, and then you put the button, push through, and then just put a nut on and tighten it down. Make sure it's not loose. Alright, so it's pretty simple, and I'm gonna do it to the other side. Okay, the bumper is secure, everything is all tight. The end result, everything went smooth. I didn't have any issue, and so yeah, not bad for a $20 upgrade. Install is very easy. And so I'm gonna end this video right here, and if you guys think this video is helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. Alright, and so until next time, peace out guys, take care.